Hello, today I'm in Audi A3. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Thanks to this panel, we can navigate through instrument cluster display. Thanks to this panel on the right side, we can
Route guidance is not active.
enable navigation guidance, use the special button, change radio station, radio volume, answer and end calls, and activate voice assistant. Of course, if you press here, you will use horn. And that's basically it.
Please repeat your command.
And that's basically it.
Cancel.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.